हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल फिजिक्स की क्लास में स्वागत है। आज हम थर्मोडायनेमिक्स चैप्टर से चौका नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। वीडियो में सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, उसके बाद उनके सॉल्यूशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिगर शोज टू प्रोसेसेस ए एंड बी ऑन ए सिस्टम, लेट डेल्टा Q1 एंड डेल्टा Q2 बी द heat given to system in processes A and B respectively, then delta Q1 minus delta Q2, delta Q1 is greater than delta Q2, delta Q1 is equal to delta Q2, delta Q1 is less than delta Q2, delta Q1 is less than or equal to Q2. Question number 2. Consider the process on a system shown in the figure. During this process, work done by the system continuously increases, continuously decreases, first increases then decreases, first decreases then increases. Question number 3. An ideal gas goes from state I to state F as shown in the figure. The work done by the gas during the process is positive, is negative, is zero, cannot be obtained from the information. Question number 4. Consider the two processes on a system as shown in the figure. The volumes in the initial state are same in the two processes and volumes in the final state are also same. Let delta W1 and delta W2 be the work done by the system in process A and B respectively. Then delta W1 is greater than delta W2, delta W1 is equal to delta W2, delta W1 is less than delta W2. Nothing can be said about the relation between delta W1 and delta W2. Now solution. Question number 1. Figure shows two processes A and B on a system. Let delta 1 and delta Q be the heat given to the system in process A and B. Then delta Q1 is greater than delta Q2, delta Q1 is equal to delta Q2, delta Q1 is less than delta Q2, and delta Q1 is less than or equal to delta Q2. Process A, energy heat given is delta Q1. For process B, heat given is delta Q2. This is the starting point state. Suppose this is state I and final state is F. In process A, delta change in internal energy will be internal energy at F minus internal energy at I. Delta U2 for process B, for process B, change in internal energy delta U2 will be UF, internal energy at F, internal energy at state I. Both right hand side are equal and delta U1 is delta U2. Work done in process A. वर्क डन इन प्रोसेस ए होगा जो एरिया ऑफ ग्राफ बिटवीन द ग्राफ एंड V axis. this whole will be delta W1. Work done in process B, that will be the area between the graph B and V axis. This is delta W1, W2. Delta W1 is greater than delta W2. Delta Q1 is equal to first theorem of dynamics. The delta Q is delta W plus delta U. For process A, delta Q1 is equal to delta W1 plus delta U1. Delta Q2 is equal to delta W2 plus delta U2. Delta U1 and U2 are equal. Delta W1 is greater than delta W2, hence delta Q1 is greater than delta Q2. A is correct option. Question number 2. Consider the process on the system shown in the figure. During the process, work done by the system continuously decreases, first increases then decreases, first decreases then increases. जो वर्क डन होता है, तो प्रोसेस स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट I एंड फाइनल पॉइंट F, वर्क डन होता है जो एरिया ऑफ द ग्राफ, एरिया बिटवीन द ग्राफ एंड V एक्सिस. अगर किसी I से अगर कोई स्टेट I1 है, तो यहाँ तक जो वर्क डन होगा दैट इज दिस एरिया. उसके बाद अगर स्टेट I2 आता है तो एरिया इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, दिस मच ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. इस तरह से ये एरिया यानी कि वर्क डन इंक्रीजेस कंटिन्यूसली, क्योंकि एरिया बिटवीन द ग्राफ एंड V एक्सिस जैसे जैसे हम I से F की तरफ बढ़ते हैं इंक्रीज होता चला जाता है. इट मीन्स वर्क डन will continuously increases. A is correct option. Question number 3. An ideal gas goes from state I to state F as shown in the figure. The work done by the gas during the process is positive, is negative, is zero, cannot obtain from the information. This graph is PT graph. अगर यहाँ पे I स्टेट में प्रेशर P1 है, V1 एंड दिस इज T1, F पर P2 है प्रेशर V2 एंड टेम्परेचर T2. जो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन होती है PV is equal to mu RT और P by TE is equal to mu R by V. P by T at state I P by T यानी कि P1 and this is T1, this is P1. अगर ये थीटा है तो P1 by T1 is equal to mu R by V1, and this P1 by T1 is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to mu by R by V1, equation number 1. For state I, state F, similarly this will be T2 and this is P2. So P2 by T2 will be equal to mu R T2, mu R V2. Equation number 2, this P2 by T2 is tan theta, mu R by V2, equation number 2. Equation number 1 and 2 say left hand side is equal to right hand side is also equal. Mu R by V1 is equal to mu R by V2, or V1 is equal to V2. Hence, change in volume is 0. Change in volume is equal to delta V is equal to 0. जो वर्क डन है इन द प्रोसेस, अगर कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा वॉल्यूम में, तो वर्क डन इज 0. सी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, कंसिडर टू processes on the system as shown in figure. The volume in initial state are same, and in two process and volumes in final states are same. Let delta W1 and delta W2 be the work done by the system in the process A and B respectively. Delta W1 is greater than delta W2. Delta W1 is equal to delta W2. Delta 1 is equal to delta W2. Nothing can be said about the relation between delta W1 and W2. Suppose this is pressure P1 और यहाँ पर प्रेशर P2. इनिशियल स्टेज पर वॉल्यूम V1, तो B प्रोसेस में भी वॉल्यूम V1 इनिशियल, फाइनल स्टेज पर स्टेट में जो है V2 एंड B पर भी V2. तो डेल्टा V इज इक्वल टू V2 माइनस V1 एंड डेल्टा V इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज V2 V1 is equal to V2 minus V1. It means delta V1 is equal to delta V2. Change in volume is same. Work done, process A, work done, delta W1 will be pressure into change in volume P1 delta V1. Process B, delta W2 will be P2 delta V1 delta V2, and delta V1 is equal to delta V. Suppose this is V, तो ये हो जाता है P1 delta V एंड ये हो जाता है P2 delta V. तो P1 P2 is greater than P1. Hence, delta W2 is greater than delta W1. So, delta W1 is less than delta W2. C is correct option.